Sabali ti dead works ken ti good works. Okay? The dead works are religious acts that cannot bring spiritual change, spiritual life. Religious people, apan lang agsimsimba, tano nagsimbada. Sinumurak da nga paritis ken marites, sumar da nga marites ken paritis. Awanti spiritual things that had happened. Second, description of dead works is as acts of man in his own right without God. Our Father, kami niri iso na ngem artek mo agawid, mabuteng kami ta may purwak ti may purwak. So nga di napadakkel kami mat sinurot mi iso na artek kami mat, pukaw kami pukaw. Awan sa omino ang kami nakainom kami, adun ti dakes. Na-realize ni Daddy, iso nga in few years, insardeng na ti panagbarbartek na, insardeng na panagsigarilyo, insardeng na ti panagbingbing ko na, kahit ko na nga, I'm a good man. No, Dad. That is dead works. In the sight of God, those are dead works.